Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change theme in your phone Moto G34. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to personalize and here select theme, and by default this theme is applied. If you want to change to new theme, you can select from the available themes here. The next one, Moto. If you select second one, it will be applied. Then third, you can select any one. Here I would like to select this one, and yes, it is applied now. See the changes. Theme has been changed to what I selected here. If you want to personalize your theme, yes, you can do it. Again, go to the same settings, then go to personalize, then go to themes, and here you go to click on this plus symbol, and here you can change wallpaper, font, color, etc. Okay, to change color, click here. To change wallpaper, click here. Okay, so any wallpaper will be applied from here. For your theme, only wallpaper will be changing. You are personalizing wallpaper. Okay, then if you want to change font, yes, click on font. Font will be changing there. Okay, and then color, you can choose color. Color will be changing here, and icon shape, I choose a rounded one, and you can you can just name your theme here. I just name it Tasia, and finally click on save. Click on tick mark, click on save. So the selected theme is saved here, Tasia. You can select Tasia, and that will be now applied. Yes, it is applied. So in this way you can also personalize theme. Suppose if you want to shift back to the default theme, what you have to do is again go to the same settings. Again you have to go to the same settings, then go to personalize, then go to theme, and here you go to choose first one, default. Click it and it will be applied. Go to home screen. Yes, default theme is now active. So in this way you can easily change any theme for your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.